There you are now, my dear. Look at this, I'm in prison. You never knew that, did you? It hasn't stopped all day. It hasn't stopped all night. This Egypt is suffering from Creutzfeldt-Jakob syndrome. And last year, the place is full of cats. Last year, he allowed the roof of the outline there to grow trees on it and big tall plants. And so now the tree has ruined and eaten into. The windows, he had one little crack in it there last year. Now they're all broken. The lights are on 24 hours a day there. Boo-hoo. I'm reading Sue Grafton, X. And I have to tell you, look at the rains. And this is light. This is only a drizzle. This is a drizzle. My lovely shimmering tree is gone too. Anyway, I want to tell you that hail, rain or snow, I have to get out tomorrow because I'm gone mad here. I'm gone mad. Tomorrow is Saturday, so I'm going to go down to, even if it's lashing rain, I have to get out. I'm killed here. I'm going to go to, let's just have a look at that. Hello! I'm going to go to, well, given that it's going to be so wet, I'm going to go to the Imperial because it can be as wet as it wants. But that's where I'm going. And I hope to be there from about 11 o'clock till about 2, possibly 3. But I have to get out of here. Now, look at that rain. There, it's coming down heavier now. I haven't seen any mice. It was cold earlier. It's not cold now. Ooh, 'tis a hard life.